everyone, and welcome to our virtual assembly. We've reached Friday again, and I can see you've been working exceptionally hard as usual. I've been in contact with all of your teachers and they've put some names forward for certificates this week. So let's have a look through and see who's been working hard and what they've been up to. So we're starting with Class 5 this week. So in Class 5 we have the Teachers Special Award this week, and that goes to Mackenzie, so well done Mackenzie. And this is for her written report on Boris Johnson, so well done Mackenzie. The Star of the Week this week goes to Lucy, well done. And this is for being so productive with her home learning, really pleasing to hear, well done. And the final certificate for Class 5 goes to Chloe, well done Chloe. And this is from completing tasks to the same high standard as in class. That's really pleasing to hear, very well done. Moving on to Class 4, we have Star of the Week, and this one goes to Evie, so very well done. And this is for a fantastic piece of descriptive writing about a superhero. Very well done. The Special Award this week, that goes to Mara, well done. And this is for baking delicious food for the VE Day celebration. Very well done. And the final certificate, this is the Home Learning Award, and this is for the production of a very detailed and informative skills leaflet, and this goes to Seth. So well done Seth, excellent. Okay, Class 3, let's have a look how you've been getting on. So the Home Learning Award is for brilliant typed up work, and this is for Jasper. Well done Jasper. The Star of the Week Award. So this is for enthusiasm and effort to all home learning. That's fantastic. And this is awarded to Summer. Very well done, Summer. And the Teachers Special Award this week. And this is for research and work on food miles. And this is for Zane. Well done, Zane. Okay, Class 2, let's see how you've been getting on. So, for excellent seaside work and amazing artwork as well, this is the Teachers Special Award, and this goes to Morgan. Very well done, Morgan. The Home Learning Award this week. So, this is for the piece of Magic Box poetry and a fantastic medal design as well. And that's for you, Austin. Very well done. And the Star of the Week Award for Class 2. So this is for VE Day medal work and also for super reasoning skills in maths. And the Star of the Week goes to Theo this week. Well done, Theo. So moving on to Class 1, let's see how you've been getting on. So the Teachers Special Award this week for dedication to reading on Bug Club, that goes to Olivia. Very well done. The Home Learning Award this week is for super independent writing, and that goes to Rhea. So very well done, Rhea. And the final certificate for Star of the Week, and this is for excellent VE Day work, and this goes to Emily. So very well done, Emily. So thank you to everyone who's been working really hard at home. Again, a big thank you to all of the parents for supporting home learning, and thank you for the teachers who are continuing to update the class pages. It's been a hard week this week. I know you've been working exceptionally hard, and I wish you a pleasant weekend, and I'm looking forward to seeing you all on our next virtual assembly. So have a nice weekend, and we'll see you very soon.